Hello students, I am your educator Ritu. This is the part 4 of NEET question practice series. This question came in NEET 2019. This question is related to ECG. So let's first discuss the ECG and then try to solve this question. You just have the information regarding standard ECG and you can solve this question. So ECG stands for electrocardiogram. ECG stands for electrocardiogram. It is a graphical representation of the electrical activity of the heart during a cardiac cycle. Machine is known as electrocardiograph and the graphical representation which we obtained is known as electrocardiogram. So this is the standard diagrammatic presentation of standard ECG. So this is known as P wave, this is Q, this is R, this is S and this is T. This wave is known as P, this is Q, this is R, this is S and this is T. So in standard ECG, P wave represents the electrical excitation or depolarization of the atria. I repeat, P wave represents depolarization of the atria, which leads to the contraction of both the atria. And then QRS complex represents the depolarization of the ventricle. I repeat, depolarization of the ventricle, which initiates the ventricular contraction. And the T wave represents the return of the ventricle from excited to normal states. That means T wave represents the repolarization of the ventricles. P wave represents depolarization of atria. QRS represents depolarization of ventricles and T wave represents repolarization of ventricles. So this is about the standard ECG. There is new medical condition named coronary ischemia, that is coronary ischemia, and also known as myocardial ischemia or cardiac ischemia, which was given in that question. So let's get some knowledge about coronary ischemia. So myocardial ischemia occurs when blood flow to your heart is reduced, preventing the heart muscles from receiving enough oxygen. The reduced blood flow is usually the result of partial or complete blockage of your heart arteries, that is coronary arteries. Generally, it is a condition in which the blood flow get reduced. The blood flow get reduced than the normal. So it is not a normal condition. It give rise to some disease which is known as myocardial ischemia, and it is occur due to blockage of our heart arteries, which name is coronary arteries. Myocardial ischemia, also called as cardiac ischemia, coronary ischemia. In this, it reduces the heart muscles' ability to pump blood. Generally, the heart muscles have the ability to pump blood normally. So, but in this condition, that ability get reduced so that the blood flow also get reduced. And as we have discussed that it is occur due to partial or complete blockage of coronary arteries. So, a sudden or severe blockage of heart arteries, that is coronary arteries, can occur, and due to this reduced blood flow it can also cause heart attack, and it also cause serious abnormal heart rhythms. As the blood flow get reduced, so the heartbeat also get fluctuates, so it also cause serious abnormal heart rhythms. And treatment for myocardial ischemia involves improving blood flow to the heart muscles. As this condition is related to the reduction of blood flow to the heart, so the treatment also involved and also related with the blood flow. So if we get improve the blood flow to the heart muscles, then this condition can be cured. So it may include medication, that means some antibiotics, some supplements, a procedure to open blocked artery, that is angioplasty or bypass surgery. By angioplasty, by bypass surgery, or by some medications, this condition, that is myocardial ischemia, can be cured. So this is all about. Now we will try to solve this question. So first of all is P wave. As we had discussed that P wave represent the depolarization of the atria. So P is matched with 4. Next one, QRS complex. It represent the depolarization of the ventricles. So it matches with the option first. Next, T wave. T wave represents the repolarization of the ventricles. That is option number 2. A with 4th, B with 1st, C with 2nd. Now we have to see the option D, that is reduction in the size of T wave, and that is matches with the coronary ischemia, that is D with 3rd. So the answer of this question is option number 1st. As coronary ischemia, we had discussed that there get reduction in blood flow, so that is related with the T wave. So normally T wave, so the size of normal T wave get reduced in the case of coronary ischemia because there is reduction in blood flow. So the answer of this question is answer number 1st. The more knowledge about ECG was given in my previous video, in which ECG was explained in detail. So for more information, you can watch that video. Please like and share my video, and for more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.